Imagine your mom in the hospital. She's unable to speak for herself, and there is no timeline for when she might recover. Did you prepare for this? What if a decision has to be made about her care? Who gets the final say? What about taking care of her home and the bills and other obligations that your mom has while she can't? I don't mean to scare you, but these are real questions when dire situations arise. At the next session of our Protecting Aging Parents from Financial Ruin workshop, we work with you to get things like an advanced healthcare directive, a power of attorney, and even a living trust ready in advance so that you can take care of your parents' affairs properly. Do it beforehand so you don't face roadblocks when the moment comes. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.